In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this glitchy video effect in Filmora. Good to see you guys again in this tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can create this isolated glitch effect, which is suitable to be used in video intros and music video editing. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. Let's start the tutorial. You're going to prepare two files, one video and one music file to work with. For the music file, I've trimmed the part I would like to use. Drag and drop it on the timeline, and we're going to mark the beat on the audio track. Play it through and press M on your keyboard to mark the beat on a specific point on the track. Once you're done marking the beat, you can now drag the footage on the timeline. As the video is a bit long, I'm going to speed it up to match the music. To do that, simply press Ctrl on your keyboard and move the mouse to the end of the clip until you see the cursor change to this icon. Drag the clip inwards until the end of the video clip matches the duration of the music. Then, we're going to duplicate the footage 2 times on top of each other. Right-click on the empty space above track 1 and select Add Video Track twice. Then simply copy and paste the video on each track. Lock the first track by clicking the lock icon on the video track. And we're going to isolate the character from the footage. To do this, we're going to use the human segmentation effect from AI Portraits and drag and drop it on the video clip on the third track. And now we can see that only the character is visible. Next, we're going to add a glitch effect. Let's go to the Effects tab and search for Glitch. There's several glitch effects to choose from, and I'm going to choose Glitch Distortion Effect as it provides a cool distortion effect. Drag and drop it on the second track. Now you can see that the glitch has been applied and it's not affecting the dancer. Remember that we added markers on the music track? We're going to trim the second clip to the markers we applied at the beginning. For each marker, we're going to make the video last for 5 frames. For the markers at the end, the gap between the 2 markers is very small. Leave it for 1 to 2 frames. That will do. Now your video should look something like this. If you want to push it further, you can trim the video on the third track according to the length of each bit you've trimmed on the second track. Play around with the scale and position of both the second and third track to get this effect. Now, let's adjust each clip's scale and position properties. As the adjusting process is a bit long, I'll speed the video up. There you go. You can get yourself a cool glitchy effect on your video. Let's create one for your video now. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.